Japanese cherry tree facts. Cultivars of Cheal weeping cherry, also called Japanese flower cherry Prunus serrulata, and Yoshino cherry Prunus yedoensis are the ornamental cherry trees that yield profuse flowers in the annual Cherry Blossom Festival in Washington, D.C. The attractive Higan cherry Prunus subhirtella offers the advantage of living longer. You're most likely to find shorter cultivars at nurseries and garden centers. Cheal weeping cherry grows 50 to 75 feet tall, producing profuse numbers of white to pink flowers in early spring and pea-sized black fruits in late summer. The grafted cultivars do not yield fruits. Cheal weeping cherry and its cultivars will all grow in U.S. Department of Agriculture plant hardiness zones 6A through 9B. The cultivar you're most likely to find, Quanzan Prunus serrulata Quanzan, also listed as Quanzan Prunus serrulata Quanzan, grows 30 feet tall and 20 feet wide. The narrow, columnar Aminogawa Prunus serrulata Aminogawa, also listed as erecta Prunus serrulata erecta, grows up to 20 feet tall, and produces light pink flowers. Wide-spreading Chirofugen Prunus serrulata Chirofugen has unscented flowers, white flowers with double rows of petals. 2 cultivars are not good for coastal areas. They are Chiardi Prunus serrulata Chiardi, also listed as Mount Fuji Prunus serrulata Mount Fuji, which grows up to 20 feet tall yielding fragrant, pink flowers, and Shogetsu Prunus serrulata Shogetsu, also listed as Shimizu Prunus serrulata Shimizu, that grows 15 feet tall, showing pale pink flowers in late spring. The rounded, spreading Yoshino cherry tree can grow 40 to 50 feet tall and just as wide. Its showy, slightly fragrant white to pink flowers appear in early spring before the tree leaves out. Yoshino cherry and its cultivars will grow in USDA zones 3A through 7B. Smaller cultivars include Akebono Prunus yedoensis Akebono, also called Daybreak Prunus yedoensis Daybreak, a rounded tree with pink flowers that blooms in early spring. This cultivar is not suited to coastal areas. Shidare Prunus yedoensis Shidare grows in a weeping form and has white flowers. Higan cherry Prunus subhirtella grows 20 to 40 feet tall and 15 to 30 feet wide, living longer than Cheal weeping cherry or Yoshino cherry. As with the other Japanese cherry trees, it produces white to pink flowers with single or double rows of petals before it grows leaves. The cultivars you're likely to find at nurseries are not suited to coastal areas. Autumnalis Prunus subhirtella Autumnalis features multiple trunks with upright branches that form a rounded canopy. Autumnalis produces white to pinkish flowers with double rows of petals in early spring and sometimes again in warm fall weather. You'll need a lot of room for the graceful, weeping pendula Prunus subhirtella pendula, with its white or pink flowers with a single row of petals. Higan cherry and its cultivars will grow in USDA zones 5A through 9B. Japanese cherry trees grow rapidly, up to 25 inches a year in some cases, but are short-lived. Yoshino cherry may only live 15 to 20 years. These trees are susceptible to numerous problems with insects and diseases, which generally contribute to their early decline.